How you doing, guys? This is Chris with Dentless Touch. This is our first giveaway for hitting 7,500 subscribers, and we can't thank you enough. Your support and feedback have been very important to us as we grow this channel. You guys probably don't know, but we started this YouTube journey about 4 years ago, but really kicked it into high gear over the last 2 years. And it's been a blast making YouTube videos every week. For this giveaway, we partnered up with 2 companies, Dentcrafttools and Stuckey Tools. And Dentcraft just recently started their Instagram page, so make sure you give both of them some love on their social media platforms. I will leave the link in the description. So the items that will be given away is Dentcraft's new mirror window guard. Now that's going to be paired with the Stuckey window wedge. Perfect combination. So 3 lucky people will get those 2 items. Also, we'll be giving away 1 glue pulling kit from Dentcrafttools. This includes a glue gun, a slide hammer, and assortment of glue tabs and glue. Now to enter, it's super easy. Just leave a comment below of which item you want, whether it's the window wedge and window guard or the glue pulling kit. And the only other requirement is you just got to be subscribed to the channel. And that's it. Now the drawing will be held on our weekly live show, April 2nd. So good luck to everyone, and thank you for supporting the channel.